Hey guys, it's Joey here. Did you like our new intro? That's what I've been trying to ask some people. So basically, today in this video it is behind the scenes of how we made the intro. And Milka is here with me. I didn't really do any of this, I just did got my kits and stuff. And so Milka, explain how you did this. Go on Milka. You swipe through and stuff, Milka.
So I took photos of them. So I'll show you some photos. This is the first photo, and these are all the photos from it.
Look at my dick. All of them match.
That's mine. That's Joey's. That's Joey's. That's Joey's. That's Joey's. That's Joey's.
Joey's. I'm wearing that one now.
I'm wearing my Poggy bar.
Both mine.
I've got an Ibra and a Wayne Rooney, but Wayne Rooney's moved and Ibra.
You might be able to keep
I might
that
be able
Ibra
to
one.
keep. No, but we've got a new kit, so
Don't matter.
and this is the ending photo, just a black screen. It's not really. And then what we did is we took music from.
I'll get the music on now, guys. Okay. Oh,
Oops, on camera.
wait, 1 sec. So, guys, this is the music that we used. In my direction. Despacito remix. So, we can put that in the background slightly. So basically, that's how we did the behind the scenes. Milka, did you have... No, Milka, we're not doing the intro again. Stop it. Do we have anything else to say, Milka?
No, not really.
So, we're going to end this video now and we're going to go a pack opening video. We'll put the pack opening video in this, so it won't take longer to do the intro. So I'll pause this and then we'll be back in a minute. Okay, we are back on... Oh, Milka, you've got the Despacito. We are back on pack opening. Going to be doing team of the season pack opening, so let's go. 150 tots back, here we go. Open. It's okay, Caustic, the worst player ever.
Got Costa.
Oh, I thought you were going to say you got Caustic like me. Next back.
Got Douglas Costa.
Oh, team of the season! Casemiro! Woo! Team of the season, you got Javier Hernandez. Might be moving to West Ham.
I also got an inform Vossen and I got Valencia.
He's COD 82. Yeah, baby! I got stupid Bravo too.
Right, next we're going to do Leave the Room pack.
Okay, after Ramos. You ready?
Right, this one's the big fuzz. Open. Open, mine's open. Leave the room.
Oh my God. We're back in, guys. Two teams of the season. Oh! Dembele in Hamzik. Dembele.
I also got Boateng getting in for.
Oh God, 90. Oh my gosh. Oh. Milka got 91 Dembele and 90
Boateng.
Bolton, and I got 94 Hamzik. Oh, another team of the season after the pack.
2 in a row.
Oh, and 2.
Not bad.
Vossen. Oh, you got a team of the season too. This is the best pack opening look ever.
This isn't.
Oh, team of the season after. Oh, Jesus.
I've had 3 team of the seasons in one pack.
That's fake. He doesn't. He plays for West Ham. Oh, phew. You got a Japanish person.
Japanese.
Oh.
But
Zayint.
I got an inform Balotelli. Balotelli. I got Bella in him.
Robin! Oh my God!
Yeah.
How long has this video been on for? And Mkhitaryan.
McDarren.
Next week, I think Man U are playing Real Madrid in the final of that Super Cup thing. in a few more weeks or something. I don't know, 3-4 weeks.
No, it's 2 weeks. It's 2 weeks.
Okay, Douglas Costa. Ow! Sat on my chair.
And then our first Premier League fixture is against West Ham in like 4 weeks or something. I've got another team of season, not too much. I'm selling some players so I can get some more mil in.
I've got set 37 mil. Okay, let's carry on opening packs. Oblak.
Oh, Black.
90 handling. Okay, I'm gonna show you.
I'm definitely not selling Ronaldo.
Ignore that one football, Luke. Oh, here we go. Pele. Should I sell Pele, guys? Should I sell Pele?
Pele?
Yeah, I've got Pele.
No, don't sell him, don't sell him, don't sell him.
Come on. Let's go on transfer market. If you don't have this game, buy it. It's called Draft Simulator for 17. No, it's not 17 rating, but it's supposed to say FIFA 17. You can just see my Chevrolet. Okay. League
Bagua. Send my place.
quality.
Put them all in the transfer
Own.
market.
These are all the people I own. I've got Messi, Jonas,
Jonas, yeah.
Jonas,
Jonas, yeah.
De Gea. I'll sell the. No, I won't.
I'm keeping all my special.
Isco, Griezmann, Higuain.
I'm selling all my.
So pretend you had like 93 Messi and Eagles, and would you sell him?
93 Messi. No, yeah. Except unless it's Suarez, Ronaldo, Messi, or Neymar.
I've got all.
We need to get a new
Here.
Neymar.
You need to get Neymar.
No, I need to get a new Neymar card.
Why? Paris Saint-Germain.
Yep.
He's not going to be on there yet.
I know.
I've no idea what the date is today anyway, guys. Milka is predicting that Neymar is going to move to Paris Saint-Germain. How much money do you think?
Yeah.
200
200
mil?
mil, 200
Yeah.
mil.
Please say that. Please say he's going to move.
Paris
I want him to.
Saint-Germain and 200 mil.
Let's go on to squad board. I'll do the Man United squad of this year.
Oh, I got. I'm selling.
Milka, what's the formation again?
So what?
Manu, the one that
Normally.
Yeah. 3-4-3. 3-4-3.
3-4. No.
What
It's 3-4. We normally have 4 at the back.
No, just. Yeah, that's it.
4-3-3.
Yeah, that's the one that.
No, that'd be fine. 4-3-3 or that.
No, 4-3-3.
Flat.
There we go. Okay, we go in net. We're doing the Man United squad. So, Milka, please, can you turn the music off now? So it is getting annoying. So, basically, we'll go on Manchester United, goalkeepers. We'll go to here. Then in centre-back, we'll go Chris Smalling. Then I need to go down to Sweden so I can get, what's his name? Victor Lindelof. So, nation. What?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
One sec. So we're going to get Victor Lindelof. I'm sure we moved like a month ago. I've gone past Sweden. Sweden. Centre back. Oh. There we go. And right back. Oh, we're not looking in Sweden. Who's right back? Valencia. Yep. Valencia. And left back. Who's in left back?
Luke Shaw?
I don't think he was, but
For what?
no much. Pogba.
Pogba.
Who else was in centre mid? Herrera and Matic. Emmanuel Matic. Centre defending midfielder. Matic. The right wing was. Sorry. Mkhitaryan. I don't have him now. Mkhitaryan. And strike.
Doing the slot machine. I hate slot machines, but no one cares.
92, Ibra. Oh, Ibra wasn't in strike. Who was? Lukaku. Yeah. Premier League. What team again?
Everton.
94 then.
I dare you to do the slot machine.
Me?
Yes.
Why?
Just do it. I do nothing. I'm going to the slot machine.
So guys, I want to say thanks for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye.